When scalp flakiness and persistent itchiness persist despite using dandruff shampoo, the underlying issue may not be dandruff at all. Frequently confused with dandruff, dry scalp shares similar symptoms but is caused by different factors, necessitating distinct treatments. Both dandruff and dry scalp can lead to itching and a feeling of tightness on the scalp. Dandruff are typically larger, white or yellowish flakes of dead skin, while dry scalp tends to produce smaller, drier flakes. The causes of dry scalp can vary widely, including skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis, hormonal fluctuations, and changes in weather conditions. Additionally, factors such as dehydration and the use of harsh shampoos can exacerbate dryness and contribute to scalp irritation. For best results, it's important to accurately diagnose the condition to choose the right treatment. Consulting with a dermatologist or trichologist can help identify whether you have dandruff or dry scalp, and they can recommend the most appropriate treatment plan based on your specific condition and scalp health. In this guide, we've compiled a comprehensive list of the best and most budget-friendly shampoos for dry scalp on the market. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Let's begin. Number 5. KÉRASTASE Symbiose Anti-Dandruff Shampoo Cream. Symbiose Anti-Dandruff Shampoo Cream is meticulously formulated to target dandruff while providing essential hydration to both the scalp and hair. This shampoo is specifically crafted for individuals with dry, sensitive scalps that are prone to dandruff, offering a solution that combines effective treatment with nourishing care. Renowned for its luxury haircare solutions, KÉRASTASE incorporates pyrithione zinc as a key ingredient in this shampoo. Pyrithione zinc is widely recognized for its potent anti-dandruff property, effectively combating flakes and itchiness while ensuring the scalp remains moisturized. This dual-action approach not only helps to eliminate dandruff, but also leaves the hair feeling soft, shiny, and visibly healthy. The sulfate-free formula of KÉRASTASE Symbiose Anti-Dandruff Shampoo Cream gently cleanses the scalp and hair without stripping away essential oil, making it suitable for regular use. However, it is important to note that this shampoo is positioned at a higher price point compared to other dandruff treatments on the market. User reviews further emphasize its effectiveness. KÉRASTASE Symbiose Anti-Dandruff Shampoo Cream stands out as a top choice for individuals seeking a high-end shampoo that effectively treats dandruff while also providing hydration to the hair. However, potential users should be aware of its premium price tag and consider their budget accordingly. For personalized advice on whether KÉRASTASE Symbiose Anti-Dandruff Shampoo Cream is suitable for your scalp type and severity of dandruff, consulting with a dermatologist or hairstylist is recommended. Number 4. Pureology Hydrating Shampoo. Maintaining color-treated hair involves more than just preserving its vibrant hue. It also requires nourishing strands and ensuring a healthy scalp. Pureology's Hydrating Shampoo and its accompanying conditioner are designed specifically for this purpose. Enriched with hydrating jojoba oil and antioxidant-rich green tea, this shampoo not only moisturizes color-treated hair but also promotes scalp health. Color-treated hair is prone to dryness, which can lead to scalp issues. The jojoba oil in Pureology's formula provides essential moisture, while green tea helps to soothe and nourish the scalp. This combination is ideal for those looking to maintain both hair color and scalp health. The shampoo has a thicker, creamier texture, which works best for medium to thick hair types. It's specifically recommended for those with dry scalp concerns. According to one Amazon reviewer, her hairdresser recommended this to her because they had a very dry scalp. For the price, it is worth it. Her hair has since transformed. Pureology Hydrating Shampoo is celebrated for its ability to hydrate and nourish hair while protecting and promoting scalp health. Its luxurious formula ensures that your hair stays vibrant and healthy, making it a worthwhile investment for those with color-treated hair looking to maintain both their hair color and scalp condition. Number 3. Vanicream Shampoo. Vanicream is widely trusted for its gentle and effective skincare and haircare products, particularly among individuals with sensitive skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Their fragrance-free formulas are highly popular for providing thorough cleansing without drying out the scalp. Vanicream Shampoo is the #1 dermatologist-recommended brand for sensitive skin. This fragrance-free shampoo is pH-balanced for all hair types, offering a sensitive formula that effectively and gently cleans both hair and scalp, helps remove flaking and scaling, and controls oily scalp. Formulated to avoid common chemical irritants and harsh cleansing agents, Vanicream Shampoo is betaline-free, gluten-free, sulfate-free, silicone-free, and protein-free. It is also free of dyes, fragrance, masking fragrance, lanolin, parabens, and formaldehyde releasers, making it suitable for even the most sensitive skin. For individuals sensitive to fragrances, Vanicream Shampoo offers a refreshing alternative. It effectively removes accumulated scents and fragrances without causing irritation. However, some reviews note that it doesn't lather as well as shampoos with sulfates, which is typical for sulfate-free formula. Vanicream Shampoo is celebrated for its ability to cleanse effectively without harsh chemicals or fragrance, making it an ideal choice for those with dry, sensitive scalps. Number 2. Dove Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Dove Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo is formulated to effectively combat dandruff while being gentle on the scalp. It provides relief from itching and discomfort associated with dandruff, making it a popular choice for those dealing with scalp issues. Dove is well known for its effective hair care products, and their Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo is no exception. It is designed with pyrethione zinc, a clinically proven dandruff-fighting ingredient, along with moisturizers to soothe the scalp and prevent dryness, leaving your hair flake-free and your scalp comfortable. This shampoo really clean hair without stripping it, commented an Amazon reviewer. For sensitive to fragrances, and can be used, and it removes all accumulated scents and fragrances that hair has picked up. If you're sensitive to fragrances, you'll understand what this means. If you struggle with dandruff, Dove Dermacare Scalp Anti-Dandruff Shampoo is an excellent choice. It's effective, gentle, and affordable. For best results, use regularly and consider using Dove Dermacare Scalp Conditioner for additional scalp soothing and hair hydration. Number 1. Aveeno Skin Relief Soothing Shampoo 300 ml. Aveeno is renowned for its sensitive skin-friendly formulas, particularly those featuring soothing ingredients like colloidal oatmeal, which help nourish both skin and hair. The soap-free formula is for non-stripping and gentle nature, making it suitable for severely dry, sensitive scalps. Due to its lightweight texture, the brand suggests it's best for individuals with thin, fine hair. The Aveeno Skin Relief Soothing Shampoo is formulated with a blend of soothing ingredients that aim to provide relief for dry and irritated scalps. Colloidal oatmeal, a key ingredient, is known for its ability to restore the skin's natural barrier, locking in moisture and alleviating dryness. This makes it a particularly good choice for those suffering from conditions like eczema, which can exacerbate scalp dryness and irritation. Despite its many benefits, this shampoo may not be ideal for everyone. Individuals with thicker hair types might find that its lighter, sheerer texture does not provide the level of hydration or manageability they need. However, for those with fine to medium hair, the gentle formulation can effectively cleanse without stripping the scalp of essential oils, leading to a healthier scalp and better hair overall. In summary, Aveeno Skin Relief Soothing Shampoo stands out as a top choice for those with dry, sensitive scalps. Its gentle, non-stripping formula enriched with colloidal oatmeal provides much-needed relief and nourishment, making it particularly suitable for individuals with fine to medium hair. While it may not be the best fit for thicker hair types, its overall efficacy in soothing and moisturizing the scalp makes it a worthwhile addition to your hair care routine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you found this video useful.